Hey, it's Lauren with Bead Box Bargains, and I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. We always like to do a little giveaway of some sort for Mother's Day. So this year, we've got a little earring kit. So it's going to have in it these beautiful check glass flower coins, and then these little check glass faceted pony beads, fire polish beads, and then a nice little pack of findings. And you can, of course, make whatever you want with it, but I'm going to show you 3 different possibilities that are very easy to do. So, starting out here, we'll just get out our components. I love these flower coins. They are so much fun. And then we also have ball head pins. We have 2 eye pins. We have 4 bead caps. And we have 6 little round spacers, and then 2 ear wires. We give you a couple different spacers in case you want to do some different designs. I'll probably only use 2 of them today, but we'll see. All right, so for my first design, I'm going to put the check glass coin and then just a little spacer bead on the ball head pin. And this will be the bottom of the earring. Then I'm going to take my little 3-in-1 jewelry plier. I'm going to trim down that stainless steel head pin. And then I'm going to just make a simple loop. And I do that by grabbing the tip of the loop and rolling it away from me. Like so. It makes a little hook at the top. Then I'm going to grab the base of that hook. Oh, except I lost my seed bead. One moment. There we are. Grab the base of that hook and roll it backwards. And then grab the tip of that hook and roll it down. All right, there we go. And one of the reasons I like to put the seed bead at the top is that you don't have to have the stainless steel head pin pushing against the delicate top of the glass bead. So it just adds a little bit of protection for our gorgeous check press glass there. Okay, so now we're making the center segment, and we're going to use one of our little round spacers. We're going to use a bead cap, and then that faceted pony bead, which I love that. Another bead cap, and then another little spacer bead. And then this will be our middle segment. So, once more, I'm just going to trim this down. I'm going to grab the top of it. I'm going to curl it away from myself. I'm going to grab the base of it and curl it back towards myself. So now it looks like that. Now I'm going to rotate it to face me, and I'm going to just roll that little loop down until it meets the pin at the base, and there is my little simple loop. Okay, so now to assemble these, I'm just going to swing out the bottom loop here. I'm going to attach my floral coin bead dangle there. I'm going to swing that shut. And there we go. And now I'm going to do the same thing up here. I'm going to open up a little ear wire by pulling it up and away and then pushing it back down. You don't want to uncurl it. It will be difficult to recurl. You just want to swing it up, forward and back. All right, so there is one earring design. Now, if you prefer, you could swap them around and have a little dangle be the bottom segment, and then the coin bead be the top segment. So to do that, I'm not going to put another little spacer bead on the bottom because you've already got the little ball pin kind of holding it in place, I think. Let's see if that looks like it'll work well. Come here. There we are. Yeah, so that'll be our dangle for the bottom. Once again, trim it down, curl the top away from me, grab the bottom, curl it back towards me, make that little loop, grab the tip and roll it down. There we go. And then I'm just going to do with our last eye pin, spacer bead, and then the coin, and then another spacer bead. So then I'm going to once again trim that down, pull that away from me, curl it back up towards me, turn it around, roll it down. All right. So in this design, I'm going to swap them around and put the larger loop at the top there. In this design, we will have the smaller fire polish bead be a dangle off the bottom, and the larger pressed glass flower coin is the top. So you can decide which one you like better, whether ascending or descending sizes, or for the third possibility, using all these components, you can do what I've essentially just done here, because I've seen these be popular. You can create an inverted pair where you have one of each. So that is also a possibility if you prefer it. So you could do both of them this style, both of them this style, or one of each. I could never do one of each. I'm not going to lie. I like to wear myself. I'm way too much of a symmetric person. Symmetry makes my brain happy. But I love, love, love this idea. Joy, who, if you've seen her videos, we're real life BFFs, and she would absolutely rock this type of look. So totally up to you. And I do want to add, I know that Mother's Day is not easy for everyone. So if today is hard for you for any reason, I hope that you're able to be gentle with yourself and just still have a beautiful, wonderful day. And if it's a happy day for you, fantastic. If you're a mother, happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. We are going to be giving away this little kit until we run out with any order of $25 or more from beadboxbargains.com. Starting today, Mother's Day. We should have enough to get through today. And if we end up with extra, we'll give them away into early next week until we run out. So while this promotion is active, if you have $25 worth of products in your shopping cart at beadboxbargains.com, you will see this little bead kit, Mother's Day earring kit, added to your shopping cart at no charge. And as long as it is still in your shopping cart when you go to checkout, it will be yours. And once we run out, they'll stop appearing in the shopping carts and they'll disappear from any active carts. You'll get a notification that it's gone if you had it in your cart. So I hope that you enjoy this little giveaway. We have a lot of fun putting these little earring kits together. And I hope that today is an absolutely beautiful day for you. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for being here. And as always, happy beading.